Hello guys, how are you? I hope all you're fine and good. If you first time in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click like and enable the ring, and after enable the ring, click again on it to choose it all to get all notification for all new videos. If you already subscribed, don't forget to like and share to all get benefits. Today we will know how to add shapes on your document. If you do education document or anything and need to do shapes, like let's do anything like circle or anything, let's add this one. Okay, if you add it, you can change the color inside it. Okay, shape color, you see here, we can make it yellow, gold, red. You can make it any color you wanted. Let's leave it like this one. You can change the outside lines, you can make it red. Let's clear the fillet to make clear what I explained to you. Shape outline, you see, you can change the shape outline also. This is effect, you need it as a 3D like this or this. You see which one you like it, yani like this if you want. For this is how to change ended and change make it. And here also front of the words or behind letters the same as the image. If you see my previous video for the image, you will know what this do exactly. Okay, and you can add another, yani you can add more chips in one time. Yani let's add the another one from here. Let's add this. Okay, make it like this. Oh, this I can see it. You can from here make it too much bigger or bold like this. You can also change which color for this one, like red, and you can customize it. Okay, and if you make it and you need it another way, rotate it. You see, I always told you, I give you the key and you must to think. I learn you how to get the fish, not how to eat it. Okay, so you can add more shapes in the same document and change more settings and effects also based on what you want. I hope you get benefits from my video. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to all get benefits. See you in another videos. Bye bye.